In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a 404 error on Hostinger step by step. A 404 error usually appears when a page on your website cannot be found, and this can happen for several reasons, like missing files, incorrect URLs, or configuration issues. The good news is that in most cases, this problem is very easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact process inside the Hostinger dashboard so you can quickly identify the issue and get your website working again. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look for the section labeled Websites. Click on Websites and you will see the list of domains connected to your account. Find the website where you're experiencing the 404 error and click on Manage or Dashboard to open the Website Management panel. From here, we're going to access the files of the website to make sure everything is in the correct place. Inside the dashboard, scroll until you find the Files section, then click on File Manager. This will open Hostinger's built-in File Manager, which allows you to view and manage all the files that power your website. Once the File Manager opens, locate the folder called public_html. This folder is very important because it contains the main files that are displayed when someone visits your website. Click on public_html to open it. Now, the first thing you want to check is whether the page or file that is showing the 404 error actually exists in this folder or in the correct directory. For example, if the missing page is supposed to be something like yourdomain.com/about, then there should be an about file or folder inside public_html. If the file is missing, that's the reason the 404 error is appearing, and you'll need to upload or recreate that page. Next, carefully check the spelling of the file name and the URL. Sometimes the problem is simply caused by a small typo or a mismatch between uppercase and lowercase letters. Web servers treat these as different files, so a page called about.html is not the same as about.html. Make sure the file name exactly matches the URL you're trying to access. If necessary, rename the file so it matches the correct page address. Another important thing to check is whether the link pointing to that page is correct. If your navigation menu or internal links are pointing to the wrong path, visitors may see a 404 error even if the page actually exists. Updating the link to the correct file location can immediately fix the issue. If the file exists and the URL is correct, but you're still seeing the 404 error, the next thing to check is the htaccess file. This file controls important configuration settings for your website, including redirects and rewrite rules. Sometimes this file can become corrupted or contain incorrect rules that cause pages to return a 404 error. In the public_html folder, look for a file called htaccess. Right-click on it and choose Edit. Carefully review the contents. If you recently installed plugins, changed permalink settings, or edited redirects, the file may contain incorrect rules. One simple fix is to reset the htaccess file. You can do this by renaming the existing file to something like htaccess_old, and then creating a new htaccess file with the default configuration for your platform, such as WordPress. After saving the changes, refresh your website and check the page again. In many cases, this immediately resolves the 404 error. And that's how you fix a 404 error on Hostinger, by checking the public_html folder, confirming the correct file exists, verifying the URL spelling, and resetting the htaccess file if necessary. You can solve most 404 issues in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on websites, hosting, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.